everyone, welcome to video presentation. My name is Minh Cha, and in the next few minutes, we will be diving into the case study of Hatter Gaming Company. Let's take a quick look at the structure of our presentation. We will begin by providing an overview of Hatter Gaming Company, then we'll dive into the problem, system, basic cost, action plan, and conclusion. So, let's get started. Hatter Gaming Company is a company that specializes in educational gaming for children. In the past 4 years, ATC has significant growth, achieving a remarkable 25% return on investment and an impressive 80% growth rate. However, despite this success, ATC is currently facing strategic implementation challenges that impacts its progress. So, the next. Although it has a strategic plan, Hatter Gaming Company is facing challenges in implementing that plan. Different stakeholders within the company have different understandings of strategic direction, leading to confusion and disagreement about the best course of action. This lack of alignment can lead to inefficiencies, missed abilities, and ultimately hinder the company ability to achieve its long-term goals. Within Hatter Gaming Company, these are notable disconnect between different departments and project teams. It operate autonomously, focusing on their own objective without considering the broader organization goals. This silo approach leads to conflict over resources, duplication of efforts, and inefficient allocation of resources. Without alignment and coordination across the organization, ADC risks suboptimal performance and struggle to capitalize on growth opportunity and effectively. Now, let's take a closer look at the symptoms. Over the past few months, conflict among team members have been on the rise within Hatter Gaming Company. The conflict ranged from disagreements over project priority to resource allocation disputes. Distant lack of consensus among team members on project priority and resource allocation. Different departments and project teams seem to have different understandings of the community strategic goals, leading to confusion and ineffectiveness. Projects within Hatter Gaming Company are consistently failing to meet deadlines and setting budget limits. This indicates a breakdown in project management process and a lack of effective resource allocation. Now let's dive into the major cause behind the challenge faced by Hatter Gaming Company and have two main factors. Despite having a shared vision, their ability in communicating how to execute the strategic plan effectively, this ability leads to confusion among team members regarding their roles, responsibilities, and priorities. Without clear communication channels, department and project team operate independent resource, resulting in conflicts and resource mismanagement. Individual efforts within the organization are not synchronized with the overcharging goals and objectives. Each department or project team pursue its own objective without considering the overall strategy or available resources. This lack of alignment leads to inefficiencies and prevent the organization from achieving its full potential. Let's outline a detail of action plan. Our first step is to define and communicate clear strategic priority to all team members. This will ensure that everyone understands the overcharging goals and of this company and can align their effort accordingly. For example, we can develop a visual roadmap outlining key strategy objectives and milestones to guide project prioritization and resource allocation. Next, we need to implement regular communication channels and collaboration platform to facilitate alignment and teamwork across departments. For example, we can introduce weekly team meeting and quarterly strategy review session to ensure that everyone is on the same page. To improve to improve efficiency and effectiveness, we must develop standardized project management process and tools. This will help us better and allocate resources and track project project progress. As an example, we can implement a project management software system to centralize project documentation, streamline communication, and monitor project milestones and deadlines. We will provide training opportunity to enhance their skill in project management and strategy alignment. For example, we can offer workshop and online courses on project management techniques, leadership development, and strategy planning. So, in conclusion, the gaming company face significant strategy challenge stemming from a lack of alignment and communication. Addressing these issues is vital for sustained growth and competitiveness. By a bold action plan, the gaming company can overcome these challenges and achieve its goals. It's crucial for all stakeholders to unite and work towards a common vision. Thank you for your attention and watch this presentation. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.